Dramatic moments during closing arguments in Donald Trump's defamation trial brought by writer E. Jean Carroll. The former president abruptly walking out of the courtroom as the plaintiff's attorney delivered her closing argument. It is the latest in the fireworks in the contentious trial that appears to be nearing an end. Eyewitness News reporter Burkett has been following the trial since it began. He's now live outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan with more. NJ.
And yes, Lauren, more theatrics today from Donald Trump. Yes, he stormed out of the courtroom during closing arguments when the jury was reminded that the sexual assault allegations against him were already proven in court in the earlier trial. Ms. Carroll's attorney insisted that this case is all about damages.
It's about punishing him for the malicious nature of his original attacks in 2019 and considering his continued attacks, she said. This case is also about punishing Donald Trump for what he has done and for what he continues to do. This trial, she told the jurors, is about getting him to stop once and for all. And with that, Donald Trump stormed out of the courtroom. An earlier jury awarded magazine columnist E. Jean Carroll $5 million after she won her case for sexual battery and defamation over her decades-old allegation that Trump sexually assaulted her in a dressing room at Bergdorf Goodman. Trump has publicly mocked Ms. Carroll both before the verdict and since.
I have no idea who this woman is. I have absolutely no idea. The whole thing is ridiculous that this is even a case. This should never have happened.
This jury will need to decide whether she's entitled to additional damages. The judge placed strict limits on Trump's testimony here yesterday, so he could not deny before the jury allegations that were proven in the first trial. Jurors watched Trump's lengthy deposition yesterday, in which he called the allegations a hoax and Ms. Carroll a liar and a sick person. But the defense has insisted that Ms. Carroll craved the publicity surrounding her allegations. Her close friend, former TV anchorwoman Carol Martin, admitted on the stand that she once sent a text message saying Ms. Carroll was behaving like a drug addict and the drug is herself. End quote.
Ms. Martin testifying here yesterday as a hostile witness for the defense. The defense, in their closing argument, is citing her testimony here yesterday. They're insisting that Ms. Carroll is entitled to nothing because she has failed to show that she has suffered at all. The jury could begin deliberations late this afternoon.